Good morning. It is Thursday, August 26th, and yeah, I'm 26, 27. Pretty far behind on posting videos, but on this trip, let me turn this off. Okay, on this trip, kind of like the others, I've had my share of mechanical problems. This time it's been the converter on the RV, and what happened was my brother-in-law was hooking up my RV to power, and I guess from what he said, the fifth wheel that he had before hooked up to 220. So he just assumed that this one did too. When he hooked it up to 220, it burned out my coffee pot that I had and my box fan and the converter. So, and I didn't realize the converter was burned up until I'd already left his house. So I'm in La Pine, Oregon, double amputee RV TV's place. He's got a huge back out here, and I've been staying here, ordered the part. The converter we thought was coming from Nevada actually got shipped here from Florida. So instead of being a 3 or 4 day, it turned into a 5 or 6 day ship. Then I got a notification on the tracking number that the train it was on had been derailed. So that added to it. So I think I've been here 2 weeks. The converter should be here today or tomorrow, and he will install it under the bed down there. Yeah, it's been interesting. Oh, so anyway, I called the company that Inverters R Us was the name of the company, and told them, you know, the tracking number says that the train been derailed, blah, blah, blah. And he says, no problem, I'll mail you another one. So I've got one showing up today and one showing up tomorrow. Anyway, so we'll see. He's going to test the first one that shows up, because I believe that's the one that was in the train derailment thing. He's going to test it and see if there's any damage to it. If there's not, he'll install it. If there is, we'll wait for the one that's supposed to show up tomorrow. Crazy, crazy. Someday I'll get all this stuff worked out and I won't have problems when I travel. I'll just be able to travel. Maybe, you think? So I will try to get to editing and uploading videos probably when I get to Redmond and get back online. I know it's been a while, but I did get the windows treatment things done. Can you see? I hear all the flowers, and it's pretty when it, well, you can't really see it here. Yeah, right there. See the little rainbow colors that it puts out? It's nice. People can't see in as well, and I left them open, like this one on the top is open. It's nice. I like it. Anyway, I'm gonna go get my day started, and I'll talk to you.